Difu Circuit House Adam Pro pen Difu Matipung Krap Lapen Arboretum an Run for Vote Armuche Jengkipado. Mesena tuwar kabi ajok nokterang arat kamathakisung. Surupathar Mondor Congress Committee atumpen kangda ngamai kepaman. Karbi prime time long pen eligibility mungpi non bidang ton pen aju ikha. Karbi Anglong District Election Sai Campaign MP Kilikalong Pacheton Dunsi jang migre ke thom ani Difu Circuit House Adam Pro pen Difu Matipung along ke do Krap Lapen Arboretum an Run for Vote Armuche Jeng Pado. Nona pong MP Kilik along abang Putin mithang ador ke so a vote jok et nang jipu alam pen jang migre ke thom ani Difu Circuit House Adam Pro Lapen Difu Matipung along ke do Krap Lapen Arboretum an Run for Vote Mate Armuche Jeng Pado si vote ki chok kinang sot alam chirok tok asai pachun pon. Election sai kam sai phu SVEEP a coordinator atumpen patripi Run for Vote along Difu Lamding atowar along kido nursing school anim supimar Anganwadi Lapen pinangan aterang abang pu atum methang ador ki so vote chok et nang jipu alam rong supiara dapan than pachini. Halapu SVEEP a coordinator atur kolita penjang migrainer cap ani kedoji autonomous district SD parliamentary constituency kilik methanga vote jok et nang jipusi Karbi Anglong aradaphan choningri aningkan wanga son thot si piningkan le thot barla polote towar ka chehela chungnang le popura hamren constituency arlo nokteranga rong aradatum kaningri alamthe pirangke pen ka homrida mahot ke longdam abita jang mini bhai cricket thomani card news along bitanangle nokterang lake hamren adung hetlo ladak check inghin ong dung lapen kowe katiki atum pinangdo bonta mesen atowar ka vedet ajok nokterang arat atum joy ki joywan pen lahai ahormu kacho georgia phanse dung apisung dokoklo tasi prabjin pen nokterang rong put linchika hamren atowar exit nailem atowar ke paman jia phan nokterang riso ijang atum pen em worsing timunga phan kachu ningri padopon Kachinia tengke bangso atowar linchika anat pen kidamta 1998 aningkan towar ibeng anke black topping selam ponlo sitame halaso aningkan pen non puanta nokterang anke nang paleledet lasi bangso ang kun puthot hamren an paplat hor black topping ka selam ta prang jia phan risui jang atun pen em timunga phan kachu ningri padopon thu towar pen ang pada mesen kijun alang lapen voreng awarsai kawe pen kisung alam pheta alang litum pen pherang ki ang no pachini kat news apherang ki hundor kro hamren pen ang kilo berta
khap khot pute hong pen ki wang tuma chini la ko an sinok terang arong nang kilut pen ki wang ko pine ko we punot che ko punot nang kinam la soki joy ke pugalang tuma chini la ko an ma ki sung kan ma ki joy gari punot jat punot ki wang ko an ma ki sung ki joy ke alang tuma chini lo tum nok terang so del ka chini li la so checking hin ka Georgia phanjong si pine gari so la ki wang ji kali la so check ka chojor chulang ke isi phedong agari si ki wangi yong si auto bairan ta wangon e butela so agari thepo check kinam je gari di ki wangon ji ka phela ma ba jong si wangon e puta ko son si hala so gari thepo ke ki wang ko la si mesen atowar nang ki pida prangge phansin ni tum mongor sing sari e phang ka chuning re dono
tum kemang pon kela pohilo je kedam tangan sitami alangli sar em sar nang rabre kali nang rap tiklo apen non anso se phang nang ke rap je phansi nilitum chuning ridunji ladang nokterang rong ara tum kisung lason hilo je nilitum lang abang sung pik lasi alangli non ke bangji MP election je pahai pen la pen nilitum ta che rap che todun ten ke hai det pen la philote nilitum aphan la so PHE scheme bang nang deng pi vek nang ji pusi nilitum chuning ridun nokterang youth morcha hin ten la pen udam thulang nilitum dak rong arat pusami kisung dolo jatlo katora do kasi voreng awar sai bangke nanglang pon te pusi nilitum
Surupathar Mondor Congress Committee atum penjang mini bhai cricket thom arni ada por bhai kre isia por malom pen Surupathar MCC asai hem baliputhar long Surupathar MCC kangdang amai ke padopona birta phirang ke pen birta nang pale Surupathar MCC amai pu bonson ronghang pen kacharipon amaya long borsali teron pensi aluhi pachini apor enlo lapen bangso amaya long alhisar po aman pen Congress pen Karjabdun MP candidate Berensing ingti chitong dun manpeng alhi aman pen Karbiang lo Adarmus Council EM Barim Hum Singh Be Rotoning Ti District Mohila Congress Committee amay pikasang terang pila pen Rostom Lekte pen Chenglok kithe kiting atum chitong dun si Surupadhar MCC kangdang amay kepadupon along RDP dun bangso amay along prekjam asong pen pinangan atum Congress along Chingbe dun EM Barim atum Rotoning Ti lapen Hum Singh Be lapen District Mohila Congress amay pikasang terang piatum rat ang nolam theki jai pon ke Berensing DC Puthot MP Chihai Thuji Lang Purat Atumapan Aning Pathe Kep Lapen Uniform Civil Code Aputhak Taklardak Pen Than Pachini Central Long UPA a government Seng Long Lote BPL Mate Kiduk Det Adat Atumapan Achiklo John Wang Tangkasika Suri Drop Iponpo Lason si SDC asong pen da Chenglong akaprek asong atumta Congress apansi nang cirap nang cito dun bom lo lapen kiwang ji atumta do ulang Lasi Berensing ti kerem deji alam masiave BJP asong atum tangka mahapen nang kepamang hujia pan bor iji sita manghudu nang ni kusi maya long lamthe jai articles 244A ke Congress atumsi nang kipi lapen kipachun jita Congress atumsi pachun thek choji puta lamthe ki jai pon pado non malam so por pan birta among ton pon iksena
Turkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Turkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Turkimi Society.
Nilingkan kray silobot ke joktang. Nilikai ta mathadam.
Niliki piagot lakha pondoma kalite nilike berate machine along klang pameloma
Nilikai ta mathadam ke joka tengpen ke patinia varsai doma.
Ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka workload dam lo puang thek doma. Ningke hanga party aphan.
Kachiki klong isia kimia dici. Vote ke jok ang thek kot pen ke patini un adici VVPAT henlo. Nilining dorik ason anthir thipen kang sai un adici. Lake isi salajong pen karjab adici lo. Lapen EVM along Cerap lok ahor mulo. EVM lapen VVPAT pen nang liko son si vote jok po. Keng kamisi polling booth arlo kilut. Vote ke jok ahem arlo kilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pekar po. Keng kam hini vote jok milo. Ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hangabang puamen mate ang tek pen pachiton ra ber ignon. Keng kam ke thom ake era tur klang loma ning ke hangabang puamen adung ake era tur klang po. Keng kampli kang chap alu klang luma VVPAT along ke klang kang chap alu aphai lang ignoi haladak nang lining ke hangabang puamen mate ang thek klang luma labang so kang chap alu achet second troxian siklang choji laso aphilo te amina chi thui pen chebeng pet si siang deng along che thabdam thotpo VVPAT ke isi akimi che thangklong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar lapen nili chichini komata phansi vote ke jokvek ma lapen nili theklong lo kopima ning ke the klardak chengbarkri ke jokvek avot ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hammer lo pen barbe ya prang e phong VVPAT along patini te kang tha laki ke mesen alam lo jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelang puluti lapen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta ningkan krenar kep choklo puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic araida te non ke nang kileji lok sabha election inkoira sirkep aput vote chok dun ignon
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
pipot lo nang hina chusir ham tamle inisu.
Pini siksa klub lo nila so chupen cherap leka cherap ching sok taun elo.
Nang chuchut bu. Cepaking dan mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, no along Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadari pinpin ang humrignol.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered,
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice.
Introducing a system that can assure you. The voter verifiable paper audit trail of VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salang pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesire alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo pibuthat birtalong wangthulo Number 15 Mahamaya constituency ki parlo angkang Prekjama polling station along Kewang GMP kilikalong. Number 15 autonomous district SG parliamentary constituency BJP asong pen kachetoidun Horen Singh Beya Pharman vote kerek amai kepadopon abirta phirang kepen birta nang pale. Number 15 Mahamaya constituency ki parlo angkang vote kerek amai kepaman pon along Alhisar po aman pen Karbi Anglong autonomous council EM Lunsing Teron Chetongdun. Lapen Alhui Aman Pendok Muka Town Committee Chairman Beren Singh Teron, Samilangso Block Mundur Chunbang Babutiso Abarim BDC Chairman Long Singh Tokbi, District ST Morcha Amay Purukmo Tokbi, Samilangso Block Mundur Muhila Morcha Achunbang Pinirmali Ing Tipi, Pendanglok Ongdung BJP Asong along Klembang Pubang Piatum Chetongdun Pen, vote kirek amay along Adipidun. Vote kerek amay lake Bilughat Mulajan, Lapen Singh Teron Polling Station Pen akaprek along vote kehang amay Padodam. Laso ahud independent pen mate ki damtang MSC kilik ahud karjabdun jerhon hanse along kacelang dun abang pubang piatum lapen ang parta Congress SDC asong along kidodun ki ongdung abang pubang piatum mithang asong pen COC BJP asong along chengbe dun rinti alang litumapan Karbi Anglong autonomous council EM Lunsing Teron lapen Arya Sangho atum arideng pen dengsi BJP asong along Parluponlo. Karbi Prime Time manggila pon sikang ton pon ikla tumi thakmi kurang tu.